Welcome to our latest video, which is about the most advanced agricultural machinery available today. Join us as we explore the cutting-edge technology transforming agriculture into an art of precision and efficiency. Let's dive in. We begin our journey in a vibrant orchard, where crimson jujube fruits are being harvested. Amidst the rustling leaves, farmers use a powerful blower to gather the fruits efficiently. As we leave the orchard behind, we find ourselves in a field of green pumpkins. Each one is carefully harvested, washed, and sorted, creating a stunning visual as they float in the water. Before we move on, can you identify this beautiful red flower and its uses? Let us know in the comments. With curiosity piqued, we turn our attention to a field of juicy watermelons. Watch as they are swiftly harvested and cleaned, their buoyancy creating an eye-catching effect in the water. Now, we shift to a scene of practicality and flavor where onions are being harvested by a massive machine, efficiently transported to the processing plant. Next, we glide over to a field that's a testament to delicate care and technological grace, where lettuce is harvested without bruising a single leaf, showcasing a harmony of productivity and gentleness. Have you ever seen the exotic rattan fruit? Its scaly exterior is quite the sight. Share your thoughts below. From the exotic to the sweet, we now observe the process of persimmons being transformed into air-dried delicacies, their golden hue a feast for the eyes. In the factory, vibrant red pomegranates move along conveyors. They are washed, inspected, cut, and their seeds are collected, cleaned, and packaged. Workers oversee the process, ensuring high-quality products ready for shipment. Amidst these marvels, we witness an unexpected event. A fire erupts in a wheat field, but quick action prevents any harm, showcasing the resilience of modern agriculture. Next, we will witness the fire erupted while farmers were harvesting wheat crops. Efforts were made to extinguish the flames without any injuries or agricultural equipment loss. Perhaps you've attended numerous football matches on such immaculate pitches. But have you ever wondered how these fields are created? Let's check it out. Our journey takes a sweet turn as we come across kiwis being prepared for consumption. Their vibrant green inviting us to taste. Electric robots with infrared sensors navigate asparagus fields, detecting and carefully harvesting ripe stalks. This automation ensures efficient, gentle handling and high-quality produce. The vibrancy doesn't end there. Up next are dragon fruits, with their striking pink hue being harvested for further processing. We are captivated by the meticulous work of coffee harvesting machines, operating in perfect rows to create an impressive vista. The Buxus trimming machine for 65 cm diameter is designed to precisely shape boxwood plants into perfect spheres. It ensures uniform, efficient trimming, saving time and effort while providing consistent, professional results. Now, we'll discover the secret of golden vegetable buds, thriving in darkness to brighten our plates. When its bud turns large and yellow, it's ready for the satisfying harvest. No wonder it's a European culinary favorite. In the date palm groves, specialized machines lift farmers high into the trees, allowing easy access to ripe dates. This machinery ensures safe, efficient, and swift harvesting. This is the John Deere DB120. It's a 48-row, 30-inch spacing, 120-foot wide corn planter. It offers efficient, large-scale planting with precision and productivity, ideal for extensive farming operations. This is the Fendt 724, a marvel of engineering, working in tandem with the Lemken EuroPul 8. This dynamic duo plows, drills, and presses in a single seamless pass, revolutionizing field preparation. Next, our gaze shifts to a lush papaya orchard, where farmers are busy harvesting. The large, vibrant fruits are carefully placed into wooden crates, ready for their journey to the processing plant. Now, we move to a vineyard where innovation takes another form, the Collard Ellipse Multi-Rotor Leaf Remover. A compact powerhouse is seen deftly removing leaves from 3 rows at once, ensuring the vines receive optimal sunlight and airflow. Leaving the vineyard, we find ourselves in a field painted blue with blueberries being harvested by a specialized machine. This method significantly increases the harvest volume compared to traditional hand picking. From the open fields, we step into the controlled environment of a greenhouse where hyacinths are cultivated. The result is a breathtaking display of vibrant blooms. Back in the fields, we witness the versatility of the Amazon Tyrock 400 VS. This semi-mounted reversible plow adapts to various soil types, turning the land with precision and ease. Our attention is then captured by the rhythmic shaking of walnut trees as a harvesting machine efficiently collects the nuts, a method that speeds up the process and increases yield. This is the Pineapple Seedling Transplanter, combines rotary tillage, ridging, mulching, drip irrigation, and seedling compaction in one machine. It can work as a single unit or split into 2 for versatile usage. Next, we focus on a machine that's revolutionizing planting with the Onion Transplanter by Chemico India. It plants onion seedlings with remarkable precision and speed. From the neat onion rows, we turn to the star of the show, the carambola or star fruit. We learn about its harvest and the various ways this delightful fruit enhances dishes across Southeast Asia. Next, we come to a field of Sudan grass, where a Sudan grass cutter is in action. This machine streamlines the cutting and harvesting process, feeding livestock and enriching the soil as green manure. Farmers utilize machinery efficiently in taro cultivation. They begin by using a hole-making machine on sandy beds, then switch to another to plant taro by sowing whole tubers. After harvest, pine cones are processed to separate seeds using machinery. Automatic seed separators efficiently extract seeds. These seeds undergo cleaning, drying, and screening for quality. Processed pine seeds are then packaged for distribution, ensuring quality from harvest to consumer. During ginseng harvesting, specialized machinery digs ginseng roots from the soil, removing dirt before cleaning and processing in the factory. In the mushroom harvesting machine canning process, mushrooms burst forth vigorously. The machine efficiently gathers them while workers oversee quality control. Freshly harvested mushrooms are swiftly processed for canning, ready for distribution. After harvesting, silk cocoons are processed in a modern processing line, where they are washed and unraveled into silk threads. This modern egg factory automates egg cleaning, sorting, and liquid processing, handling 370,000 eggs daily. Its efficiency and cleanliness make it a top choice for many food factories. In the factory, sorting and vaccinating chicks utilize advanced machinery. Chickens pass through automated sorting based on size and weight. Then, they undergo automatic vaccination, ensuring precision and adherence to schedules. Join us at the southwestern Mexico factory, where mangoes are turned into juice. Witness strict testing, washing, and processing for freshness and quality before bottling. This is the Ground Robot Sprayer. With its 200-liter pesticide tank, surpasses the power of a 30-liter agricultural drone. This specialized machine automatically collects and cuts hay before distributing it to designated areas for cattle feeding, streamlining the process on farms and ranches. It reduces labor and ensures consistent feed supply for the cattle. Let's see how the Arcusen automatic bale loader and stacker AutoStack FSX is indispensable for timely hay cutting and baling. Wood undergoes precise processing at the architectural factory. Automated machinery cuts and refines it into components for construction. Skilled workers oversee the process, ensuring precision and quality in the final products. Now, let's take a look at the comprehensive overview of the cultivation, harvesting, and processing stages of Lingzhi or red reishi mushrooms on a specialized farm. The lemongrass harvester is essential for labor saving and boosting production efficiency. It saves time and effort while ensuring uniformity and high quality in harvesting, thus enhancing overall productivity and reducing labor costs. The Agromax planter machine, Sadzarka, excels in planting efficiency and convenience for farmers tending vegetable fields. Its larger capacity and ease of use streamline leafy greens planting, significantly enhancing productivity for farmers working in the fields. The 3300S Varimat model from Kverneland's new generation plows offers top-notch soil preparation. It's robust, durable, and recommended for tractors 30 to 55 horsepower per body. Coconut fiber can be a valuable resource if utilized properly. The process of processing coconut fiber into sturdy ropes typically begins with washing and cleaning the fibers, followed by manual or machine-based methods to create strong and durable rope coils. Lily bulbs are harvested from large fields using modern machinery, then transported to a processing plant for cleaning, treatment, and subsequent planting in greenhouses. After about 2 months of growth, farmers can harvest the mature flowers for distribution and sale. Did you know that cactus plants can also be processed into juice? Let's explore the journey from cultivation to harvest to prepare for this fascinating processing process. Specialized machinery including tree shaking devices, picking machines, and transport vehicles work seamlessly to efficiently harvest macadamia nuts, readying them for further processing towards the final product. Bamboo has versatile applications. Previously, harvesting bamboo was labor-intensive and time-consuming. However, technological advancements have made the extraction of this plant more efficient, optimizing the production process. In large-scale cassava processing, machinery plays a crucial role in harvesting, transportation, shredding, drying, and processing cassava into flour. Automated equipment efficiently handles each step, ensuring consistency and quality in the final product. Let's take a look at how this flour milling machine operates, a crucial step in the process of producing 100 million pounds of flour per year at King Arthur Baking. Machinery plays an indispensable role in this endeavor. The gun sprinkler irrigation system works diligently on the cornfield, ensuring every plant receives the water it needs for optimal growth. Ditch cleaners are small yet robust machines designed to work efficiently in both wet and dry environments. This machine efficiently clears algae and other aquatic plants on the water surface. By removing unwanted vegetation, it helps maintain water cleanliness, improve water quality, and create favorable conditions for the growth of other aquatic organisms. This machine is instrumental in cleaning the areas surrounding fields, ensuring thorough debris removal and contributing to maintaining cleanliness and safety around farmlands. A tree spade is a machine designed for transplanting large trees with their root balls. It uses steel blades to dig around and lift the tree. In our exploration of modern machinery in agriculture, we encountered the Christmas tree palletizer packaging machine. This device efficiently packages Christmas trees, automating palletizing for uniformity and efficiency in handling and transportation, streamlining operations in the Christmas tree industry. Thank you for joining us on this journey through modern agriculture. If you're as amazed by these machines as we are, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, keep growing forward.